There's a reason pickup trucks have been the best-selling vehicles in America for over 40 years straight. They're useful, they're tough, and for a lot of people, especially men and women over 60, a truck isn't just transportation, it's how you get things done. Hauling equipment for the property, towing a small trailer, taking the grandkids camping, picking up supplies without needing to rent a van. A good truck earns its place every single week. But here's what most truck content completely ignores. The trucks that get the most YouTube views are almost always expensive, new, and loaded with features that most seniors never asked for. Big screens, complicated menus, price tags over $50,000. We're going a different direction today. We found the best used pickup trucks specifically for seniors. Trucks that are under $10,000, strong enough to actually work, simple enough that you don't need a manual to operate them, and proven reliable enough to keep running for years without draining your savings. There are 6 trucks on this list. Stay until number 1. Because that truck is under $7,000, has one of the longest documented lifespans of any vehicle ever built, and has been trusted by farmers, ranchers, and working people across America for 3 decades. Let's get into it. Here's something that surprises a lot of people. Pickup trucks are actually one of the better vehicle types for seniors, not one of the worst ones. And the data on why is pretty clear. First, seat height. Getting in and out of a low car gets harder as you get older. Truck cabs sit higher, which means you step up into the seat rather than dropping down into it. For people with knee or hip issues, that's a meaningful difference every single day. Second, visibility. Sitting higher means you can see further down the road, see over traffic, and judge distances more easily. That matters for safe driving at any age, and especially as reaction times slow slightly over the decades. Third, utility. If you own any property, do any gardening, haul anything at all, a truck pays for itself in convenience within the first year. You stop renting vehicles, stop asking family members for help, stop making 3 trips when one would do. The trucks on this list were chosen specifically around what seniors need. Reliability over flash, simplicity over features. Low cost of ownership over low monthly payment tricks. Every truck on this list passed 4 filters, and if it failed even one, it was off the list. Filter 1, available for under $10,000 on the open used market. We used CarGurus and iSeeCars live pricing to verify this. Not dealer asking prices, but what trucks are actually selling for. Filter 2, above average reliability score from Consumer Reports, the only survey of its kind that's based on 300,000 plus real owner responses per year. No manufacturer paid for these scores. Filter 3, low annual maintenance cost per RepairPal data. Because a cheap truck that constantly needs repairs isn't actually cheap. We wanted trucks that cost less to own over time, not just to buy. Filter 4, senior-specific practicality. Good cab entry height. Physical controls, not touchscreens. Manageable size. Nothing so large it becomes hard to park or maneuver. And a proven track record of longevity past 200,000 miles. 6 trucks made the cut. Here they are. Number 6, the Chevrolet S10, 2000 through 2004. And we're starting here because this truck solves a problem that bigger trucks create: size. Full-size pickups are long, they're wide. They can be genuinely difficult to park in tight spaces, to back into driveways, or to navigate through busy shopping areas. For seniors who don't need to tow a 10,000-pound trailer, a compact truck is often the smarter choice. The S10 with the 4.3-liter V6 engine, and that's the one you want, has one of the most respected engines General Motors ever produced. Owners regularly report 200,000 miles with no major engine work. The maintenance cost per RepairPal sits at around $516 a year, significantly below what you'd pay to keep a full-size truck running. The cab is straightforward. Physical knobs and switches, no menus to navigate. The bed is a good height for loading without straining your back. And because it's a compact truck, used prices are friendlier too. You can find clean examples starting around $4,500. If you want truck utility without full-size truck headaches, the S10 is where this list begins. Number 5, the Ford Ranger, 2001 through 2011. And this is the truck that made compact pickups America's workhorse for a generation. The Ranger was Ford's answer to the question, what does someone actually need in a truck day to day? Not maximum towing, not 36 inches of ground clearance. Just a reliable, practical truck that fits in the garage, starts every morning, and can haul a load of mulch or a piece of furniture without drama. Consumer Reports gives these model years a 4 out of 5 reliability rating. The 4.0-liter V6 in particular has an excellent long-term track record. Owners in Ranger forums report 200,000 to 250,000 miles as routine. Ford Ranger mechanics and parts are available everywhere, which is a real advantage when something eventually does need attention. For seniors specifically, the Ranger is a particularly good fit for one more reason: the cab is accessible. The step-up height is manageable without being low like a car, and the bench seat option, available on many trims, is often more comfortable for people with hip or knee issues than individual bucket seats. At $6,000 to $10,000 on the used market, the Ranger gives you proven Ford reliability in a size that actually makes sense for daily life. Number 4. The Dodge Dakota, 2001 through 2008. And this one earns its place on this list for a specific reason: power. If you regularly tow anything, a boat, a utility trailer, a camper, a horse trailer, the Dakota with the 4.7-liter V8 gives you a towing capacity of up to 6,400 pounds. That's more than most compact trucks can touch, and it does it without requiring you to drive a full-size truck the rest of the time. Think of the Dakota as the middle ground that most people don't know they need. Bigger capability than a Ranger or S10, more manageable size than a full-size Ram or Silverado, and at $5,000 to $9,000 on the used market, it delivers that capability at a price that makes real sense for a retired budget. The 4.7-liter V8 is a known quantity. It's the same engine Dodge used in their full-size trucks during this era, and it has a well-documented long-term reliability record when maintained properly. The cab is spacious, with good visibility and a comfortable upright seating position. One thing to check: look for a truck with under 150,000 miles and make sure the transmission has been serviced on schedule. The automatic transmission in some of these can be picky if it's been neglected. A pre-purchase inspection will tell you everything you need to know. If you need real towing capability at a real-world budget, the Dakota is the truck that delivers it. Number 3, and we're listing these two together because they're essentially the same truck wearing different badges: the GMC Canyon and the Chevrolet Colorado, 2006 through 2012. Here's what sets these apart from every other truck on this list: they're the newest trucks here. And that means something important: they come with modern safety features that the older compact trucks simply don't have. Traction control, stability control, side curtain airbags on higher trims, anti-lock brakes as standard, not optional. For seniors who value safety as a top priority, these features are genuinely meaningful on wet roads, gravel, or unexpected stops. Consumer Reports gives these a 4 out of 5 reliability rating. The 3.7-liter 5-cylinder engine in particular is smooth, adequately powerful for most truck tasks, and has shown good long-term durability in owner reports. Annual maintenance costs run around $500 to $600 a year, reasonable for a truck with this capability. The cab is more refined than older compact trucks, quieter on the highway, better seat support, and controls that feel intuitive without being complicated. If you want a truck that feels slightly more modern without crossing into the confusing touchscreen era, the 2006 to 2012 Canyon or Colorado is a very strong choice. Number 2. The Ford F-150, 2004 through 2008. And this is where we make an important distinction. Some seniors actually need a full-size truck. Not want, need. If you tow a large boat, if you haul firewood by the cord, if you farm, ranch, or maintain significant property, if you regularly carry passengers in the rear seat along with gear in the bed, a compact truck will leave you short. And this generation of the F-150 solves all of that at a price under $10,000. The 4.6-liter and 5.4-liter V8 engines in this generation of the F-150 are among the most proven truck engines Ford ever built. Hundreds of thousands of these trucks are still on the road today, many of them past 200,000 miles, driven by people who simply never found a reason to replace them. Consumer Reports reliability score, 4 out of 5. The ride in this generation is genuinely comfortable by truck standards, firm enough to feel capable, smooth enough that long drives don't wear you out. The cab is wide, the seats are supportive, and the controls are exactly what truck controls should be: straightforward and physical. One honest caveat: the 5.4-liter Triton V8 in some of these trucks had documented spark plug issues. The plugs could break during removal in high-mileage examples. This is a known problem with a known fix. Just make sure any truck you're considering has had this addressed, or factor it into your negotiation. For the senior who truly needs full-size capability and has been waiting for a used F-150 to come down to a price that makes sense, just make sure any truck you're considering has had this addressed or factor it into your negotiation. For the senior who truly needs full-size capability and has been waiting for a used F-150 to come down to a price that makes sense, $7,500 to $10,000 for this generation is exactly that moment. Number 1, and if you've followed this channel before, this might not surprise you, the Toyota Tacoma 2001 through 2008. Let's start with the number that matters most. Consumer Reports gives this generation of the Tacoma a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability rating, not 4. 5 out of 5. It is one of the highest reliability scores any truck has ever received from the most rigorous owner survey in America. RepairPal puts annual maintenance costs at around $478 a year, the lowest of any truck on this list. And that aligns perfectly with what Tacoma owners say in forums, in surveys, and in real-world ownership. These trucks just don't break. Oil changes, tires, brakes, that's most of what owning a Tacoma costs. The ownership stories around this generation of the Tacoma are genuinely remarkable. 280,000 miles on the original engine, 310,000 miles, driven daily, 340,000 miles with one owner who never missed a service interval. These are not rare exceptions. They are what happens when a well-engineered truck is maintained even modestly well. For seniors, the Tacoma also hits every practical mark. The cab sits at a comfortable height, easy to step into without the climbing you do in a full-size truck. The bed is a practical size for hauling without being so large it becomes hard to reach things at the back. The controls in this generation are completely analog, physical dials, real buttons, a clear instrument cluster with large, readable numbers. There is one honest trade-off. The Tacoma costs more than most trucks on this list. Because everyone knows how reliable they are, the used market prices them accordingly. You'll pay $7,000 to $10,000 for a well-maintained example, but consider what you're actually getting. A truck that in all likelihood will never need a major repair during your ownership. No surprise engine work, no transmission replacement, just routine maintenance, and a truck that keeps showing up. That peace of mind, for a senior on a fixed income who doesn't want car surprises, that's worth every dollar of the premium. It's not the flashiest truck on this list, it's not the cheapest, but it is the one that will take care of you the longest, cost you the least over time, and give you the fewest reasons to worry. That's why it's number 1. Before you buy any truck on this list, or any used truck at all, here are 5 things every senior should check. These are not optional. They are the difference between a great purchase and an expensive mistake. Check 1. Look at the frame for rust. This is the most important thing you can do on any used truck, especially if you live in the northern United States, Canada, or anywhere that uses road salt in winter. Get under the truck. Look at the frame rails. Surface rust is normal and manageable. Deep pitting, flaking, or structural rust is a deal breaker. Walk away immediately. Check 2. Run a vehicle history report. Carfax or AutoCheck. It will show you accident history, flood damage, the number of previous owners, and whether any recalls are open. If the seller refuses, that tells you everything you need to know. Check 3. Get a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic, $80 to $150. A mechanic will put the truck on a lift and go through the entire undercarriage, check all the fluids, look at the brakes, examine the suspension, and give you a written report. This single step has saved seniors thousands of dollars. Do not skip it. Check 4. Look for leaks. Check 4. Look for leaks. Check under the engine, under the transmission, and under the differential. A few drops of oil is nothing. Puddles of fluid are a red flag. Check 5. Verify the service history. Ask for maintenance records. A truck with documented oil changes, fluid services, and scheduled maintenance is worth more than one without, even if the price is higher. Previous owners who kept records are usually previous owners who took care of the truck. Let's run through all 6 one final time. Number 6. The Chevrolet S10, 2000 to 2004. The compact choice, easiest to park, easiest to maneuver, proven 4.3 V6 engine under $8,000. Number 5. The Ford Ranger, 2001 to 2011. America's trusted compact workhorse, reliable, widely serviced, great daily driver under $10,000. Number 4. The Dodge Dakota, 2001 to 2008. Mid-size body, V8 power, 6,400-pound tow rating, the towing choice on this list. Number 3. The GMC Canyon or Chevy Colorado, 2006 to 2012. The modern safety features pick: traction control, stability control, side airbags, all standard. Number 4. The Ford F-150, 2004 to 2008. The full-size option for the senior who genuinely needs full-size capability and comfort under $10,000. And number 1, the Toyota Tacoma, 2001 to 2008. 5 out of 5 reliability. The lowest maintenance cost of any truck on this list. 300,000-mile lifespans documented by real owners. The most dependable used truck under $10,000. And arguably the most dependable used truck at any price. Now, which truck on this list is the right one for you? Drop it in the comments and tell us what you'd use it for. We read every comment, and your answer might help another senior who's trying to make the same decision right now. And if you want to know which of these trucks to avoid by model year, the specific years that had problems, that video is right here. Watch it before you start shopping. Take care of yourself, stay practical, and we will see you in the next one.